If you plan to use Thermafiber Mineral Wool insulation from Owens Corning to create a layer of continuous insulation, you need to consider your options for permanent and energy-efficient attachment. Rodenhouse Fastening Systems is here to support you. If you are attaching mineral wool to a masonry, brick, or block substrate, use the Plasti-Grip PMF anchor, PMF standing for Plastic Masonry Fastener. These are easy to install by pre-drilling through the insulation and into the masonry substrate, placing the anchor into the hole, and then tapping until flush with a hammer. No screws, pins, or adhesives are required, creating an energy and labor-efficient method of attachment. For wood or steel stud substrates, we have a couple fastening options to consider. Once the gypsum or plywood sheathing and the weather barrier are installed, a simple and effective method of permanent mineral wool attachment is the 3-inch diameter Grip-Lok Hurricane washer with grip deck ceramic coated screws. The large diameter washer helps prevent crushing of the insulation and can span the joints between insulation panels, minimizing fastener penetrations and thermal bridging. The screws are coated to resist corrosion for the lifespan of the building, which is important for rain screen applications. Another great option is the Thermal Grip Impaling Fastener. This energy-efficient option removes the guesswork of blind fastening to the studs, as the pins are attached directly over the air and weather barrier and prior to placing the insulation. The plastic washer base provides a thermal break between the pin and the screw, and also helps seal the weather barrier penetration. The optional retaining clip holds the insulation on the pin for permanent attachment under the cladding. Rodenhouse Fastening Systems is here to support you with our global strength and personal service.